who has the ultimate say on military calls? It's the commander-in-chief. It's not Judge Boasberg. And it's not even the U.S. Supreme Court. And if you read the terms of the Alien Enemies Act, it specifically says that. I mean, the Supreme Court's already said we don't have jurisdiction to review commander-in-chief calls under this, but under very limited circumstances, they can review a couple of pieces of it. So in any event, that's what they said, first of all. Those terms, invaded or incursion, has to be considered in the military sense. And then they go on to say, okay, these words in the statute must be read to mean, quote, a hostile encroachment by a nation state, and concluded that these conditions do not exist because we haven't had a hostile encroachment by a nation state. Now, if this stuff about Tren de Aragua is true, that's a very different story. And Judge Boasberg had no right to shut down the commander-in-chief's call on this just with his pen. He hasn't had an evidentiary hearing at all. He shut it down saying, I believe they're going to win. And the D.C. Circuit Court said, yeah, us too. And now if the Supreme Court doesn't step in, this whole policy could be shut down, even though the Venezuelans really may be trying to send an incursion into the United States because Judge Boasberg thinks he knows better.
Look, Democrats should not ever be on the side of criminals who are illegal immigrants.